Hello everyone, it's Dada from TradeGuardian. I hope you are all doing well and I hope your trading is getting better. And great welcome to our new subscribers, so many of you. It's really honor to have you on board. After all, this is just for you. All I'm doing this is for you guys to get better in your trading, sharing my opinions and my vast experience in trading. So today, by popular demand, I'm launching this new one-to-one course, which means I will teach you personally via Skype and many other ways. Could be a messenger, but Skype will be primarily how to trade professionally. Now, why Skype? Because Skype has this really good feature where you can share your screen with me and I can share my screen with you. So that's the reason for Skype. This course will be a thorough course by identifying your own trading style, defining your strategy, identifying when and when not to take your trades, identifying your goals, and obviously money management, which involves exact stop losses, take profits, targets, and so on. The story gets better by every lesson in this 20-lesson course. Now, I'm not going to charge you an arm and a leg. It's not going to be very expensive. Just $100 for 20 hours of private one-to-one tutoring, where I will explain to you how to trade professionally. So that's because of the popular demand, like I said. Many of our subscribers liked my videos, they liked what this channel is all about, TradeGuardian, and they asked whether I could or I couldn't maybe, possibly, make this course available, and I decided I will. So in today's introduction of this course, I'm going to show you what the course is actually going to be like. So let's imagine it's you, John, Joseph, Susan, any average person who might join this course and who might not be exactly best at their trading. We would start from identifying your daily habits. How much time do you actually have on a daily basis? Because as you might know, trading really requires time. If you decide to, let's say, day trade, which means you will be sitting at your computer most of the days and some nights as well. Not many of us can afford that much time. So let's assume you are Joe, John, or Susan, which belongs to 75% of the world's population, which have jobs. In other words, they don't have much time left every day. Now, in your case, you would probably choose swing trading. Swing trading means that you don't have to sit in front of your computer. You just need to devote a couple of hours every day, and probably on the weekends as well, to be successful. After all, this is going to be a business for you, a way to generate income. Like any other business, we will start from your strategy, or as we call it, a trading plan. Now, strategy would involve and evolve around you, your lifestyle, like we said, how much time you have, and so on. So let's assume you are part of the 75% which doesn't have much time. Then we would choose swing trading. Now, swing trading, as opposed to day trading, doesn't involve you sitting in front of your computer all day. Swing trading, you can take a look at your computer and adjust some trades, manage some trades, only using 2 hours out of your daily life and schedule, which would suit most of the population. That's why I said 75%. So let's assume you are one of those. And in today's one, I'm going to explain just first lesson of this course. And let's see if you like it. Let's say it's a thing for you. and let's see if you can learn something. That's the most important part. Now, how do we start swing trading? Because we have such a short amount of time to dedicate, to devote, if you like, to trading on a daily basis, we will start on a really high time frame. In front of you is a euro-dollar chart, and quickly to explain why euro-dollar, because it's the most moving currency pair. And we don't want to be trading something that's not really moving. So for that reason, we start from euro-dollar. Then you can apply this strategy to any other currency pair or a commodity as much as you like. The principle applies the same. So let's start from the beginning. We're assuming you are swing trading. For that reason, we would need to adjust your charts to these time frames. The first one should be your daily time frame, and this is let me move this away. This is a daily time frame. So let me explain what that means. That means that each of these candles, this one forming here, takes a whole day to form. So that was yesterday, that was the day before, and so on. Daily time frame is our main frame, a mother chart, if you like. On a mother chart, we have a daughter and a sister and a son charts as well. Now, the daughter chart, or a son chart, if you like, one below, will be our 4-hourly chart. Remember, this was one daily chart. Now we move down to 4-hourly chart. There we are. Move this here. This is my announcement, by the way, for our new TradeGuardian.co.uk website, which is coming in just a few days. So we looked at the daily, now we're looking at the 4-hourly, and our execution chart, where we take trades, will be 1-hourly. And these 3 charts you should have in your trading platform arranged. How do we start? You wake up first thing in the morning, and first thing you do, you look at the daily chart. So let's go back there. This is your daily chart. Now, how do we determine a trend? Are we going up or are we going down? For that, we use a moving average. To be specific, exponential moving average. This blue line here is a 200 exponential moving average. Let's double click just to show you the exact settings are these. Period 200, method exponential, apply to close. That's all you need to put there, and OK. By the way, this is Metatrader 4 platform, which is, well, it seems to be the most popular, especially for Forex trading. So I strongly advise you use this platform. You will be fully compatible with the rest of the world. So there we go. This is how you put in a moving average. So why do we need this 200 exponential moving average? Just for our direction. Let me repeat again. This shows us, this blue line here, 200 exponential moving average, shows us overall direction of this market, which is very crucially important. If we're going up, like you see here, it's pointing up, so we are going up, then we're only looking to buy. Why? Because market is going up. Now, this is just a step 1. Step 2, we go down to 4-hourly chart. From daily, remember that was daily, now we are on 4-hourly. So each of these candles takes a whole 4 hours of trading to form. So that was 4 hours before, and this is the last 4 hours now. And this timer here shows us that the last candle has another 81 minutes, now 80, to go. So each of these candles is a 4-hour long candle. Why do we do this? Why do we switch back down? From 1 daily to 4 hour, just to confirm that the same trend is existing on a 4-hour as well as daily. Just to repeat quickly, we start from daily. this one here. We'll look at our 200 exponential moving average. Is it looking up? Is all this price, all these candles, are they above this moving average, and is it looking angling up? Yes, it is. So that already tells us we are in an uptrend. And that we need to know, because then we are only looking to buy. Then we move down to 4-hourly chart. Is this moving average, this is the same, by the way, 200 exponential moving average. Is this one in a downtrend or an uptrend? Well, it seems to be more in an uptrend than a downtrend. Well, definitely prices, last prices we see here are above it. So that also means an uptrend. In this case, we are only looking to buy. Now, when do we buy? This is very important, which we'll go into these details throughout our 20 lessons course, remember? This is just a taster for you, just to see what you're going to be learning and how quickly. Now, then we go down to our last daughter chart, if you like, or sister or sibling brother chart, which is 1-hourly chart, which is here. We look at the same moving average. This is first thing we do, the blue one, 200 exponential. Is it looking up? Is it angling up? Is it going up? Yes, it is. It's inevitably going up. Now, we know that overall, in a greater picture, we are in an uptrend and we are only looking to buy. Now, when do we buy exactly and how do we buy exactly comes as a next lesson. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to buy on this red candle. At least I'm going to wait for a stronger signal. Now, this was just, like I said, the first part of the first lesson, just a little part of it. It only takes under 15 minutes for me to show you this video, but I wanted to show you because if you take this course, we're going to have 20 full lessons, an hour long each, one-to-one, whoever you might be, because it's all online, and we're gonna make sure you have all the knowledge required to become a successful trader. Now, drop me a line if you want, anytime. The website actually is not quite ready yet, but drop me a line. I'm gonna show you now at TradeGuardian.co.uk, info basically. Let me write this down. Info at TradeGuardian.co.uk. If you think this course might be for you, or indeed if you need more information about it. Because, like I said, I'm launching it very, very soon, in next coming few days. And also to let you know, the places are going to be extremely limited because it's only me, one person, and I cannot really dedicate all of my time to doing this. As sorry as I am, I would like to, but I cannot. So to remind you, $100 for 20 lessons, which will be 20 1-hour long private one-to-one tuition. From you, from yours truly, Dada, Trade Guardian. Have a great weekend and drop me a line. Bye-bye.